Attachments and editing. You can add almost any kind of document to the ticket and edit it by not leaving the system. Click the document icon to add, for example, a Word document. Click the picture icon to add a picture. To edit an attachment, you just have to press on it like this. The whiteboard opens where you can make the changes, and after you are done, save the attachment. A saved document will be automatically attached to the ticket. Whiteboard offers you a wide range of tools for editing, including formulas and further options. Students can edit attachments in the same way. They will be saved in the task chat. That way they can do the task swiftly and comfortably. Of course, it is also possible to make a photo of a solution and attach it to the task. eStudy FM is loaded with benefits. Discover it for yourself and join for free now.